Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Persona 3 FES on Android. First, ensure your Android device meets the necessary specifications for smooth emulation. You'll need a powerful processor and sufficient RAM to handle PlayStation 2 games. Next, you'll acquire the game's ISO file, which is the digital version of the game disk. Finally, we'll discuss selecting and setting up an appropriate emulator application on your phone. To begin, you'll need a reliable PlayStation 2 emulator for Android. FES2 is a highly recommended option, known for its performance and compatibility. You can download it directly from the Google Play Store. Once installed, you'll need to provide the emulator with the PlayStation 2 BIOS files. These files are crucial for the emulator to mimic the console's hardware accurately, allowing games to run properly. With the emulator set up, it's time to load Persona 3 FES. First, ensure your game's ISO file is stored in a folder easily accessible by the emulator on your Android device. Open the FES2 app and use its file browser to locate and select the Persona 3 FES ISO. After loading, take some time to configure the graphics settings for the best visual experience and adjust the on-screen controls to your personal preference for comfortable gameplay. For the best experience, you might need to fine-tune some settings. Experiment with the internal resolution. A lower setting can improve performance on less powerful devices, while a higher one enhances visuals. Always close other applications running in the background to dedicate more of your phone's resources to the emulator. Finally, for a more authentic and comfortable gaming experience, consider connecting a Bluetooth controller to your Android device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.